Hi guys, welcome back. I have some more goodies to share with you. I have new releases from Sugarpea Designs. The release just went live. Also new releases from Gerda Steiner Designs. So we got some really cute stuff. So let's start with the Sugarpea release. I had to grab these pandas. They were so cute. So this set here is called Pandemonium. And I just love this cute little guy. And I love pandas. They're not too hard to color because they already have the black colored for you. You can add a little shading if you want or just leave them as is. And then there's really cute sentiments with this. I love you this much. Need a cuddle. I'm thankful for a friend like you. I miss you. Sending you big bear hugs. I just want to hug you. Hooray, it's your birthday. Celebrate with some pandemonium. And then this die goes perfect with it. It's so pretty. You can use the insert and have this beautiful scene, or you can use it without and have just a circle window if you wanted. And that one's called Bamboo Garden. And then there is coordinating dies for the little pandas as well. I thought this was really pretty, just to add to your card front with a sentiment. You could use it this way as well. And this one's called Interlocking Circles. We've got some jukebox fun. So here's a nice stamp set, great for masculine cards. Nice jukebox. There's a record, a soda, another record, a little like a soda drink with whipped cream, a shake. Wishing you a rockin' day. Happy birthday. What's shakin'? Just for the record, you rock. And then this nice check. And then there is a coordinating die to cut out those pieces there. And then you can also pick up the jukebox die. So this one, you put all these parts together and it creates a jukebox. And then I thought these went great with the little panda set, and they're really pretty. This one's very nice and intricate. And then let's see, this one's called Laurel Leaves and Leaf Canopy. So I thought those stencils were really pretty. Now for Gerda Steiner Designs, we've got this really cute big one. It's called You Lift Me Up, and he's got shades on. And then you can connect a string by drawing it or using twine. And then this large balloon. We've got thank you for that. And you lift me up. Isn't that cute? And then his little nose looks like a heart. Now this one's from an older release. It's called Under the Weather. But I thought it was really cute since spring stuff is coming out. Sorry to hear you're under the weather. Get well soon. And after rain comes sunshine. It's cute little sunshine and raindrops. And I thought it was so cute with that umbrella. This one's new, only for you. Super cute kitty holding the little heart. And this one's peeking out of the heart. Little sentiment that says only for you and XOXO. And then there's a new cat set where you can mix and match the cats. This is Valentine Cats. Super sweet. This one's in a pile of hearts and he's throwing up some hearts. There's a heart banner, a ball of twine. Happy Valentine's Day, meow, and forever, and I love you. There's another set that I have. I think it's like Buckets of Love, and it's got cats and buckets. And that set would also coordinate with this set. So I'll try to remember to link that in the description box so you can check that one out. And then there's coordinating dies for that. And all of their dies come on a magnetic sheet. So that's great for storing your dies. And then we've got the mirror cats on the lookout. This one's so cute. Get the little meerkats, and this one's popping out of the hole, and I just love how they stand with their little arms. They're just so cute. There's a rock, another one here, a larger rock. We've got thank you for always showing up, the word you, and then we've got on the lookout for, you can put you, for me, for us, and then birthday cake. And then there is a die for that one as well. And then I did restock this one, Lovely Pandas, really, really cute. It's got the hearts and this cute panda holding the balloon. And the sentiments read, so happy we're friends. I like you very much. You and me, big hug, and XOXO. And I love this little guy peeking around the corner. So Gerda Steiner Designs has really, really cute stuff. I do have some of their older ones if you check out my Gerda Steiner Designs section in the shop. So thanks guys for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed the new stamps that are coming out. There's so much. I just listed the new Trinity stamps. Don't forget to check that out as well. And I will catch you guys real soon. And heads up, this is the last weekend to put your pre-order in for the new Lawn Fawn release. I will be putting in my order on Monday. So after that, I will have very limited stock. So thanks guys for shopping, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!